go.
Teamwitherving is on fire.
It's quiet.
All right, welcome back, everyone. It's Irvin here. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be doing basically how to use the Fibonacci. A lot of you guys are requesting. I forgot the name of the person. I totally forgot. I wrote it down, but I totally forgot to put it. I don't know where my note is. Hopefully that person is here today. They want to be trained on how to use the Fibonacci. I think it's one of the tool that every trader use one way or another. So today I'm gonna be helping you out so you can make money either on your phone, or if you don't want to trade on your phone, you can trade it on your PC. And guys, someone sent me a indicator, pretty cool indicator on how to draw a trend line, but automatically, kind of like exact same thing what you see here on the Fibonacci, but it's another automatic trend line. It does has a crossover, pretty neat to be honest. It has a crossover like that, and then let me see. I just give me an example, right? So let's say it comes like that, but this one is pretty cool. Sometimes it just turns either sideways or either it cross completely, and you can either pull your buy stop or your please mute yourself. Either your buy stop, your buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, or sell limit. So it's pretty neat. I like it. So I'm gonna show you the end in case you want to take a you want to use it, you are more than welcome to do so. Anyway, they send it to me. I guess it's free. So, but I don't mind sharing with you guys as well. So, all right. So, whoever was here and asked me to be trained on Fibonacci, or if anyone is having issue on Fibonacci, this is the time, guys. I want you to unmute yourself, ask question. If you want me to do it from scratch, I will be more than happy to do so, because my job here is to make sure that you guys grab hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Kind of like, let me give you an overview of what I did the other day. I mean, on Sunday, right? Look at here. I think it was silver, if I'm not mistaken. Look at here what I predicted on silver. Perfect hit, guys. This is using Fibonacci. Look, this is my first time. I think it's Amit. I don't know if that person is member of our group yet, but he sent me a message on YouTube. So Irvin, can you show me how, can you analyze silver for me and see if your system does what it's supposed to be doing? Look at here. I said the market was gonna come back and retest mid 61 to 0.8 Fibonacci line. But the question is, why did I say that? That is the class that we are gonna be doing today. Because if you don't know how to use Fibonacci, you are missing a huge opportunity on this market. And by having our system, it's gonna make your life easier. And a lot of traders also have a hard time to understand where you guys need to put your entry and where you need to put your exit. So hopefully today will answer everything. This is what I kind of like, let me give you an example of back data, basically on silver, what I gave you guys on Sunday. I say on clearly the market was gonna come back and retest this area here. Why did I say that? Because I look, my Fibonacci is always my back data, guys. To be honest, Fibonacci equal back data. But your eyes as a viewer is always gonna be here in the front, to be honest. This is what you're gonna be focusing, because when I make a video, I was gonna be talking about these numbers here. But me as a trader, I'm always looking back data. Same thing with the Fibonacci. Fibonacci really is back data, but we're looking for previous support and resistance that were well respected in the past. So in this scenario here, what I did was I looked for brothers and sisters. So that's why I come up with that idea on Sunday and say, okay, the market is still gonna be shut out a little bit more, retesting what? Retesting these brothers and sisters in here. Look at that perfect hit. So damn perfect. I think Elliott is here. If it's here, he knows this so well as well. Look at here. Perfect hit, guys. A little bit shy, but still it's fine. But look, and then from there, I knew the market was gonna drop. Why? Simply because that area was gonna give us a reversal from there. And look, boom, 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 boom. From here, then I can just read, either use the 50 or 30 Fibonacci line, but I don't remember what I saw in back data. But look at here, perfect hit. I said the market was gonna come back and hit this area here. So far from there, what else did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Right now, it's just doing that particular area. And from there, boom, market will drop. It's that simple. Using Fibonacci is not hard, but in my opinion, remember guys, in here what I give the world is every single movement. Now, if you want to learn, if you love to scalp the market, sure, you can use this data on 4 hours. Always look, always the 4 time frame, 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly, and then make your final decision on 4 hours and enter on your 5 minute as a scalp in the market. It will work, guys. Look at this big arrow here. I mean the green arrow. The green arrow is just telling us the market is in a buy position. Believe it or not, you move to the 5 minute. It's a huge move, guys. You would be on the money either in a buy position or now. Let me see if the system will give us an opportunity to show you. And then I'm gonna come back. Whoever was the person, I don't remember your name, but if you're here, go ahead and mute yourself. Look at here, guys. This is amazing. Look, there's no way you would be losing this trade. There's no way, impossible. It's just impossible. Look at this. Look at this. Look at today, guys. Let me see my scalping, because I used 3 different accounts. Let me check my phone. I just closed some pair today. Look, scalping the market, $320, guys. All blue, 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 blue club, blue club, blue club. None of them. I think 3 of them went against me. That was it. Scalp the market for 300 bucks, 320 bucks, divided by 5, divided by 4 months. That's a decent part-time or full-time. I don't know if anyone will do that, but it's just a nice, and that's one of the account. Look, that's just scalping the market. Here's money, guys. Money is here to be made. Look, Mark is still giving us a buy position. And then how many pips is this? I got no idea, but we can figure it out. I don't know if silver really the same. 182 pips. I think that's what it is. Look, and here was 245 pips. That's a damn pretty good, decent pips. Maybe that's all you needed for the whole week, but it's there. It's a matter of how you're gonna do it. But now going back to the Fibonacci, I really want everyone to learn how I use the Fibonacci over and over again. So tomorrow we're gonna come back and we're gonna reanalyze all the pairs that I did on Saturday, same thing that I did on Sunday. So we're gonna come back through our channel, through Zoom. I wanna give you the opportunity. If you don't wanna participate, it's fine. But I want to give you the opportunity so you can engage on the analysis that I did. Even if you're wrong, my job is to help you out and make your whatever doubt that you may have, help you out and look for the light. And so hopefully next week you will understand what I'm doing. And to be honest, guys, some of this analysis that I do, like I mentioned on my video before, some of those are my real trades. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to tell you exactly this is it. Sometimes I just get excited. Euro USD, Euro GBP, US peso, Euro AUD. Those are my main ones. So, and I do take those trades, to be honest. All right. So now let's go ahead and do exactly how I do the Fibonacci. We're gonna be using the Euro AUD. So Elliott, if you want to participate, let me know. Maybe you could be the first one. And so you can explain everyone what will be the first step. It's 3 steps that we use, guys. First step is always gonna be what is your master trend doing? So in here, clearly we know them is in a downtrend. Look at how this Fibonacci area is well respected, guys. Look at here, boom. Oh, I will mention it later, but look here, Fibonacci. I will say it came and retested this area here, because I have it as zoom out. Let me make it. So let me make it a different way. Let me delete this. Let me go back here. So first thing here, we know the market is in a downtrend, right? Then next step we do is we look what the brothers and sisters is doing, which is the support and resistance. In this scenario here, look at here, in here, let's say that this data does not exist, because today is all about how to do your Fibonacci levels. Let's say that all this data does not exist. So first thing that I would tell you guys in a real analysis is, okay, I see the brothers and sisters here is coming down. So what will be my target here? Coming down, right? So we all, obviously, we know it's market based on this is sell. So I will say clearly the first stop of the Fibonacci, it will be here on this brothers and sisters. So what level is that? I don't know. I have not looked in the other side yet. So now that I know, I will tell you, okay, guys, the market is going to come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci level. From there, obviously, the world don't know this part here. From there, I will say, okay, the market is going to come back. Usually it come and retest these levels here, right? And then it retrace. And then from there, I will say again, the market will come back and retest the previous level. What was the previous level? I got no idea. But let's take a look at it together, because that is the only way you're gonna learn. Look at here, perfect hit, perfect. Boom, 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 boom. 1 second. Yeah, that will be it right now. All these touches here. That is the only one. So between the 38 and the 23, that will be your third one. So that's simple, man. It's Fibonacci is not hard. It's just matter of looking back data. That's why when I do my video, I come very, very decent from there. Look at here. Once it retested that 61, obviously the market had to breathe from there, right? Because there's a major support in there. Then the market bounced back up. Where? It will either come back and retest the 50 Fibonacci line, or either gonna come back to the next level. And from there, market will drop. And that's exactly what it's doing. That is how I do Fibonacci over and over again. Let's do one more example, because Fibonacci is, to be honest, Fibonacci is everything. And a lot of guys say, hey, Irving, can you create an indicator that show buy zones, kind of similar to what the other competitor has? To be honest, guys, the buy zone and sell zone is this. Let me tell you what it is. It's the Fibonacci. It usually is on the 0 Fibonacci level between the 23, and the next one will be on the 178. It will be exactly in this one. Look at what happened here. Look at this, is magic, guys. What I'm giving you here is magic. Look at this. Not making this up. Look at here. Market come back and retest the buy zone in this area here. Basically, your 0 Fibonacci line. From there, brothers and sisters, pop in. The daily come in as well. Boom. You would have entered in there. Same thing happens in here. Brothers and sisters come in right on the 100 Fibonacci line. What happened? Market bounce up. It's that simple. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. So I really don't need that stuff, because I'm, to be honest, I'm giving you guys every Saturday and Sunday this analysis, and those are very, very accurate. You guys have the system. You can go back in there and say, okay, Irving is on point this time. You guys gonna put me on the test tomorrow. But usually I don't think we need that that buy zone and sell zone, because the Fibonacci usually is always sitting on the 0 level and the 100 level. That's what it is. Look at that. That's all it is. All right. All right, let's move on to another one. And then I'm gonna show you the free indicator that these traders gave me, guys. It's pretty neat. Actually, let's put it together so you can see it. Since you know how to do it. Where is it? I think I have it. Where did I have it? God damn it. Bear with me. I got so many stuff here. I don't think I have it in here. God damn it. But you know what? Let me go ahead and bring it up in here because I think you guys need to see it. Let me get it from my other account. You guys gonna love this one. And like I said, you know, with this indicator here, you can use the buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit. However you guys fit, find the value, but you guys gonna love it. Let me see if I can find it here because I want to give you everything. Sometimes all the traders, they send me good stuff, man. Auto fifth trading zone, that's not it. Right here, auto trading trend line. All right, let me go ahead and bring it, put it in this other folder. Where is it? Right here. We're gonna put it on trash indicator. Bear with me. All right, let's refresh this stuff here. And the trash folder should pop in. Look, I got the RSI scalper here, guys, but I'm still back testing it, so I don't want to give it to no one yet. Look at here, it's called automatic trend line. He said he got it for free, so let me bring it here. I didn't change anything because everything is hiding. But look, this is what I was telling you. We are on the 4 hours. I automatically create those trend line. So sometimes they cross over each other. So either you can put a buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit on it, and then that's it. Let's take a look at if we would have used the daily here. Look at here, daily look weird. Let's go to 1 hour. Let me take this off. Look at here, this is perfect. This is a gorgeous example. Because they was telling me, oh yeah, Irvin, this is helping me a lot with the system. As soon as I see the brothers and sisters and the automatic trend line crossover, I've either put a sell stop right immediately here. As soon as that one hit, they're in. And look at that drop, gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And they still use the system. It's just that he found value using this automatic trend line, so you don't have to do it yourself. But I think it's pretty neat. All right, so now let me go ahead and take that off, and let's do one more example of how to use the Fibonacci line, because that,
Irvin,
yes, that was you who really asked for this class.
no, not me. But question that I have is the Fibonacci. Do you put it on the daily, 4 hour, or 1 hour? Where do you put it actually? What time frame?
Let me take this off here. Let me take this automatic Fibonacci. I mean, trend line. Let's do it together. This is what I do, right? Let's say you don't know anything about Fibonacci. Either you can use the automatic one, but I already know what the levels are gonna be anyway. So first thing what I do is I always ask myself in which direction am I trading. So in this direction is I am a bullish market, right? So I'm looking only for buy position. All right, so we know we are in a buy position. So step number 2 is I need to ask myself, what is my brothers and sisters doing? So right here, it's giving me a what? A reversal. So we know we are doing a PV. And then I ask myself, okay, now I see the 4 hours arrow going with the buy position. Okay, so it's contradicting, but still, it is, at least I'm on the right direction here right now. So now, this is what I do. Let's say you do not have all this information here. We just have only this information here. So in here, we knew we're doing a PV in here, right? So if I had to analyze it, let's say that this is my Sunday video. I would tell the world, okay, guys, the market is gonna do the following. From this area here, I'm seeing brothers and sisters coming down, which is a sell position. So the stop will be here. Look, I'm not looking any number here. Really, I'm not looking there. I'm looking here, brothers and sisters. So that will be my first stop. That is my Fibonacci level. From there, I will tell the world, okay, market is, now I can look. I will tell the world that the market is gonna come back and retest our 38 and mid 50 Fibonacci line, right? So look at that, perfect hit. It came and broke and retested the 50, which is fine. From there, I would tell everyone, okay, from then the market has to do a small a break, right? So I look for, you know, either support and resistance in this level here, and I always would tell them between the 38 and 23, and that would be perfect. What would be the next level from here? Look, this is your opportunity since you asked. Where do you think will be the next stop? Are you still there?
Oh, yeah, at the yeah, right there where your arrow is, because the Fibonacci line is, I don't know what number it is. I think,
That's
wait,
61.8
yeah,
because of this here, right?
because of your back data and also the
Good.
Fibonacci.
That's it. That is exactly what I would tell. I would look at these brothers and sisters here, which it came and respected this Fibonacci level, which is the golden area, 61.8. Perfect. And from there, if since the market has to take a break, it always gonna come back and take a break on the next previous brothers and sisters, which is gonna be here. I would tell you, would it be on the 38 Fibonacci line? Yes, it went to the next level, which is fine. It broke one, so I would wait until it come back and retest all this area here. Second, from there, it got no choice than drop. But the market here is buy. So if you're gonna be looking for buy, you got more opportunity. If you would have entered on this market here, let me delete all this stuff. It's getting confused. The more stuff you add, since you were going in a buy position here, I would have entered here and I would have gone with a confident because I'm going with the trend. So the trend is seeing here. I would have taken my first TP, would it be in here on the 50 Fibonacci line. From there, I would have said, okay, market is gonna come back and do a small PV. It was not that big, but this looks small, but it's not. And then it will come back and retest the next level, whatever level is in the back data. And that would be your second TP. From there, you can either take off or either you can scalp the market or you don't trade this pair anymore. That makes sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
It's pretty much it's that simple. It's that damn simple. It's not complication on this. It's just look at back data, brothers and sisters, because those are, we look, to be
Yeah,
honest, we're looking here at 4 hours and daily. Those are Fibonacci, in my opinion. Because
yeah. The information, sorry, the information was great on point, but what I actually meant was when you're placing the Fibonacci, do you place it like from the top, let's say from where the daily, monthly, and weekly arrow is, way to the bottom, or you only place it on present timing, what is going on in the present?
well, this Fibonacci is an indicator. It automatically it does it for you. So I don't draw anything. So I really, that's one choice. This is, look, what I give the YouTubers to the world is I given this automatic Fibonacci. But in my real trades, I don't use the Fibonacci. I just go only directly. I just trade based on the system. The system says here, I just take my position based in there. That's what I look, position like this. because I know the market has to come back and retest all this level here. I don't care about this 4 hours here. This 4 hours here really don't mean much to me unless if I'm gonna be scalping the market. Though if you kind of scalp the market, use this one. But if I don't know if you do, you have this indicator, the automatic Fibonacci?
Yeah, I have it, but I don't think you understand my question,
Then
Irving.
I
I don't
just
think
don't
you did.
understand what it is then.
No, look. Can you like zoom out the screen for a bit?
Sure, let's do it. Well, that's too much. All right, there you go.
Zoom out. Zoom out. Yeah. All right. Now you
You
can
got me.
can you
You might
zoom out a
zoom
little
out
bit
all the
more?
way.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Okay. If I look at the where you place the Fibonacci, I can see that you placed it um from where the monthly and the daily and the weekly arrows pop in,
Right,
right?
right.
So you place it, let's say, from there, and then you zoom in, and then you go on
No,
to
I don't, to be honest, I don't do this. This is only for me to see in which direction I'm trading.
right,
When I like to use the Fibonacci, it's only when I zoom out back to normal. All I care in this particular area here is only to know who am I trading with. Am I trading bullish or bearish? So in here, I'm going bullish. So, and then that's all I care. And then 2, 3, and then I zoom back to normal view. And then from there, I just concentrate only on real-time data, whatever is in the present time, because I already know where I'm heading to. But I don't make my decision based on the Fibonacci from far away. I make my decision on real data, whatever the market is giving me right now in here. From here, because this is what you're gonna be making money. You're gonna be making money from what is coming next, whatever is gonna come back here. This area here is game over. You will never ever make money out of it. So now the question here is, right? This is how I do my stuff, and I do it very successfully. So now what I'm here, I know the market is trending down. Now the question that I ask myself is already did the first, if this is gonna continue down or is gonna reverse from there. So that we can do it together. You okay with that?
yeah,
So
no problem.
from there, I will say, okay, I will look for the next levels, right? Because I don't know what is the next level. Look at here. Let me look. Let me go. Yeah, perfect. Look at this one. Look at here. One level. Perfect. It's touching that level. So look, it came an arrow in there telling us the market it may do it in more reversal. So if it does that reversal, then it's gonna come back and retest what? All this area here. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. This level here. And then from there, market will continue down or either go up. But in here, we're looking for buy position. To be honest, what I'm looking here in real time, this is, I make only levels based on brothers and sisters. But I always pay attention what real data is doing. Not, when I zoom out, it's just only to look what the market is doing. So in here, I will say, okay, market still has some room to drop before it really fully confirm the market is gonna be buy position. So I will say market's still gonna come back and retest all these levels here, probably another 3 more candles, and then the market will shut out back to normal. Look at now, look at how it came successfully in here. It came in and well, it's not there yet. It's not there yet, but I will take this and say, okay, the market is gonna come back and retest the 38.2 Fibonacci line. And from there, what do you think is gonna happen in here? In this particular area here? What are you waiting for in there? Because look, it broke the arrow. 4 hours, I really don't care. I need to see more data because it's not enough area in there. So I'm looking for a green arrow with more dots because there's no dots right now, and the one that it is right now is just alone. So that's why I always tell people, always wait for more confirmation to come. So this is ready, it did respect this level here. So it has to come back and continue down. And from here, once it create the green arrow and I see like at least 2, 3 dots, then I know I'm going with the trend. Then I will be bullish. Is that clear your question or not?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, yeah.
That's how I do it. Just zoom out, only look for the picture where you're heading to, and then come back to normal view, real time, whatever, because all you care is what is happening next. This is what is coming, and then market will shot back up to bullish market because you are trading this guy here. This is the main guy. Look at here. This is where the money is. We know the market is bullish, right? Look at this impulsive move. Boom. Look at this. Look at this one here. We know it's a PV, small, and then what will be the next step? Boom. It's gonna continue back up. Because I mean, we are mid October, so market is not gonna give us a bearish position in the middle of the month. Still gonna be bullish. And now in November, yes, we should see a more new bullish or bearish monthly dots coming in. But right now, it's you still gotta go. Them GBP USD still have room to go bullish. All right. Or I can give you the free indicator that this trader gave me. And I don't know if you check your trade based on buy stop, buy sell, buy limit, or either sell limit. Either you can do it like that based on the rules. And then you can just wait, let the market come to your levels. And then it will trigger those entry and just let it go. But I think that's very neat. And I think Michael, I don't know if Michael's here. I think Michael also used that as well. I don't know if he's here, but I saw him drawing those trend line as well. I mean, that could be beneficial. I love when they cross over to each other like that. And
Yeah,
then
there's this guy, I don't know,
I think it's
maybe it's
Michael.
Michael,
Yeah.
or there's this one also with the ninja picture. This
Yeah,
guy,
that's him. That's
yeah,
him. So
the guy's lines are on point. Yeah, it's true.
yeah, it's just because, look, he's just waiting. He's waiting for this level to be broke. And then either he put his buy stop or sell, however he does it. But he wait for the market to come to him. Once it comes and touch the level, he's in. And then look, it's all about finding your niche. Either you're gonna be, scalping the market, or either you're gonna go. Usually, I had 3 different accounts. I scalp the market. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes I'm not on the desk. I had my other on my phone. I scalp only on my phone because I use the RSI on my phone. And then I go like, okay, it's ready to go. Boom, I get in. And then I leave my long-term account from Monday to Friday and exit between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. And that's it. But that indicator, I will put it on the chat room and everyone can use it if you want to. In case you don't know how to do the buy stop, sell limit, and also on, then if it's pretty neat, it's just right click on and put your entry in there, and that's it, and let the market come to your levels, and bingo. But in here, look, I would not do anything. I will wait because I don't know what is going to happen next. If it continues down, it's different. All right, Sarah. Okay. All right, let me do one more, guys. I don't know if anyone wants to participate on the let me delete this one. USD CHF. USD CHF is weird. I know the thing, guys, that I'm getting a lot of text. Be honest, and guys, I really want to apologize. I didn't know that this business was gonna keep me. It's a full time that I work behind scene trying to help sometime individual one-on-one, and it takes a lot of time. And I do it with pride because my job is to help, but it takes time. And now what I'm trying to send everyone is to come so they can come here on either Tuesday or either Wednesday class so they can ask questions live, because that is the only way that you guys can, interact with me and others as well. They can hear you asking the same question that probably they do have, and they will help them become a better trader. But another thing that a lot of traders are getting confused is when they see the monthly. Sometimes the monthly, sometimes it's just the broker. What I have learned in on the few weeks is sometimes a broker is so screwed up. And sometimes your brokers, all the 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly, they all are not telling me, okay, Irvin, the market is in a buy position, but mine is not clear yet. So I have to wait until the next month, which is finally is gonna be exact same one as whatever the trader was telling me that they were seeing. So I mean, sometimes it's a broker that works that way, but it's nothing I can do. But this one here, the USD CHF, it seems like it's in a buy position. Now let's do this one. Let's do the Fibonacci because that's all I care. Look at this one here. What will be the first Fibonacci level if once you zoom out all the way? I will say it will be here. Look at here. Boom. It broke it. No, actually, look, right on point. 1, and then it's gonna come back and retest the previous low, all this low here. 2, what will be the next one? Here, look at here, 3. And then that would be my weekend win video, right? And then you come back and redo this one. And then what will be the next level? If I had to say the market is gonna come back and retest, will be this level here. I would have said market is gonna shut out in there, and then it's gonna continue in a buy position. What will be the next one? It will be here on the 38. Actually, it will be here. 2, continue down, and it's still gonna go like, you know, like stairs. That's how I do it. Now that we're seeing it from far away, obviously all we care is real time. But at least you saw how I do it. This is what I do over and over because I really don't use the Fibonacci level in my real time trading. Look at here. We know the market is in a buy position. Look at here, brothers and sisters, pop in, boom, shut out. Still had room to go up. Forgot what was the previous level, shooter level.
But Irving, may I say something? I must say, last night to this and from this morning, it was mad making pips with the arrows. It was really good. The US was really good.
So that was what, on a sell on this particular pair?
Yeah, any pairs that has USD in it, you could have made great money trading it too.
Yeah, that's
So
good. I'm
yeah,
happy for
analysis
you,
was on
teammate.
point, man. Analysis was on point on Sunday, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's simply because I look for back data. And look, what I'm explaining you guys with details, look for those details. You guys have to be look very carefully. Look, believe it or not, the trades that I give you guys on Saturday and Sundays are, some of them are my real trades, because sometimes I feel lazy, like to give you guys one thing and then I'm gonna be doing something else. No, some of those are my trades. And believe it or not, yesterday was a holiday. Market was crazy. It was I thought it was gonna be slow, and I told you guys market's gonna be performing slow. No, market paid very well. Same thing with today. Look, even the scalp in the market, 320 bucks. You make that consistently day after day after day. It's over what, $3,000-$4,000 a month. This is damn pretty good part time, and that's just one of the account. But look at here. We knew in this particular area here, market is in a buy position. I forgot, to be honest. Did you remember where was the what level was supposed to stop? Right here is one. So it still had room to come to that level. Look at here. Now that we know it's in a buy position, look, the Fibonacci is not there yet. But look, I would tell the world, okay, market is gonna come back and retest 23 to our 0 Fibonacci, because sometimes these Fibonacci are off. And I like to use 4 hours and daily because those are well respected time frames. Actually, look at it. Look at how perfect it's gonna come back to our 38.2 Fibonacci line from there. Then market will shut out back to the 30 to the 50, and then may continue back as bullish. That's it. You wait for it. This gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I love it. But hopefully, I swear that I forgot the name of the person that really wanted to get this done, the Fibonacci, but that's how I do it. Let's check the US peso that I gave you guys on Sunday. Look at this one, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. This is amazing how I do things here. So then amazing. I clearly said the market is going to come back and retest that 61.8 Fibonacci line. It was a bit shy on the level. Still, guys, if you would have your trailing stop, there is no way the market would have taken you out. Oh, and another thing, I saw a trader early this morning. I don't remember who was the person, but I think he was in an 80 or 90 pips, something like that. Very nice pips. But the trailing, the stop loss was still at the same level. And I think it was somewhere, I think it was a sell that he was
That was
taking.
me.
Who
That
was
was
that?
GBP USD. I mean GBP NZD.
Hey, look.
After you told me about it, I moved it down.
Yes.
I
Yes.
actually collected like 130 pips,
Oh, that's
130
good.
pips.
That's good. Let me
It
go
was
to that
about
one. But I need everyone to understand this one. GBP USD. Did you did it based on what I told you here? Look at this. Look at what
no,
I gave
no,
you
no.
guys on Sunday.
That was GBP NZD.
I don't have it in here, but let me bring it up because you were doing great. You have to, when you are making pips, you need to move your trailing stop to secure some pips because market can go against you and then you lose all those 80 pips and you're not in this market to, to lose money. You're here. The only thing that you're here is to make money, nothing
Yes,
else.
sir.
But please, everyone do that. Don't let the market take all your hard work pips, and blow your account. That's what sometimes all the traders go like, Irvin, I don't know where to put my TP. Use the Fibonacci levels. The exact same thing. The exact same thing what I'm saying today. And sometimes the thing is like some of you guys don't want to get out of the trade because you guys want to keep you think the market is gonna continue on your favor, but that PV can be long, it can be short. So you were in a sell here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a weird one. Okay, let's go here. Did you exit already or you still on it?
No, I exited.
Yeah, damn, still heavy, very
Yes,
heavy.
sir. I know. I kind of wish I
Yeah,
stayed in it, but I was like, man, I got me 150 bucks and just got out.
yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's see where would it be the next level, because I don't know.
I think it's gonna go down to
To the
where the
50.
next level, the 4-hour green arrow is.
Yeah, let's look at the 4 hours and daily because that's what we're here for. It's all about the Fibonacci level.
Just trying, baby.
Oops.
She's
Right here. I think oh wow, it did respect this level here. I don't know if there's news on this one, but it did respect this brothers and sisters in here, which was the 38 Fibonacci line. So yes, it's coming to an end. Look at here. It's coming to an end right there. So it's almost there. And then from there, what do you think is going to happen? So you did great, man. That's what I'm saying. Sometime, obviously, we all want to make unlimited income, but sometimes you don't be greedy. Take whatever pip you have made, and that's it, and move on to the next one. Look, it's coming to the end. So it still have room to drop. Coming here. From there, we know that's all those levels. Look at all these touches here. Boom, 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 and previous as well. 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market will shut back up to buy position. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest mid 61 to our 78 Fibonacci, because that is a very, brothers and sisters, previously 4 hours and daily in here, and then market may continue down from there. Have to break the 50 again and go to the next level. But you did great.
Thank you, sir.
No
I'm gonna
regret.
be watching that one.
No regret on that one. That's good. Well, that's good, guys. I mean, hopefully, you know, these Fibonacci levels that that help you. Look at the videos, guys. Some of those trades that I put on Saturday and Sundays, those are my trades. All right. Anybody else?
Hey,
Sir?
Irv.
Oh,
Who is that?
It's Elliott.
Hey, Elliott.
How you doing, buddy?
Any question for you, Elliott?
Yeah, I do. Could you go to the Euro USD on the 4 hour?
Let me go to the analysis that I did. I'm not gonna screw it up, but
No, you didn't screw it up at all. But I wanted
Oh,
to talk
wow.
about something that screwed me up. Huh?
What was it? Because look,
Well,
right
when
on-
I looked this morning, I start looking for trades 4 o'clock California time, so that's like 7 o'clock New York time. There was a 4 arrow of a green, a 4 hour arrow at the bottom of the long red candle.
right.
So I glanced at it and I said, oh, it's in a pullback. And I just went on to something else. But it just crashed through the 4 hour. And yes, the 4 hour had no dots
Look at
and just kept on going down. And now it's retracing a little bit.
yeah.
So that kind of threw me off my game on that one, even though in your analysis and everybody else's analysis, it was going to go down. Everybody said it was going to go down. So my question is, how do I know when a 4 hour, I can't say it, a 4 arrow comes up that it's going to hold?
Yeah, don't make your decision just on the 4 hours. Remember, 4 hours is just 4 hours. It's only one time frame. Unless
Right.
if you're gonna be scalping the market, yeah, sure, do that. But that's what I love. That this class is all about Fibonacci level. Fibonacci level usually is well respected only when it touches this 2 4 hours and daily time frame. That's it. I do not make my decision on Fibonacci just on one time frame alone. No, it has to be on 2 levels in here. Now,
No, I got that part. But so on the Euro USD right now, the brothers and sisters are saying that it's going down.
okay, let's look at where it needs to stop, because I don't know.
And at the same time that was there was a green arrow on the big long red bar that was the money bar. So I just moved on thinking that it was in the middle, that it was probably going to pull back.
Well, let's go to the daily, because I don't know where it's gonna stop. Because look, it's gonna stop in here. Now they sometimes use the daily. Look, right on point. You see here, brothers and sisters in there. It's coming to an end. Right there. That will be one. And the next, if it breaks down one, it's gonna come back and retest this. Oops, I'll move out the same one. Bear with me. There you go. 1, 2. So now we got 2 levels in here. Sometimes you have to go to the daily because there's not enough information on the 4 hours. I mean, the daily will shrink it. Oh, it messed up my drawing. It's fine. But now let's zoom back to normal view. Because from there, look, the daily line that I draw, it disappear. God damn it. Oh man, I don't know. It disappear. I guess when you move from one time frame to another time frame, it will not carry over the horizontal line. It's weird. But I guess it was right on point, right where the market is reversing right now. It seems like the first brothers and sisters was in this area here. So it came and retested that level. Right now, look, it has the candle closed, not yet. Not yet. It's still, it's doing a small PV right now, but it's not fully confirmed yet. There's not enough data because from there, market can all suddenly, this can be it can drop us back to bearish and retest the next level. I think the next level was somewhere in here, if I'm not mistaken, because it was not it was not a big difference from the previous brothers and sisters. So if it did respect this one, it's gonna come here, and then the market is gonna do a PV here, because in here we are in a bearish position. Look, what about if you would have used what Michael, I think it's Michael, I don't know if it's here. If it's here, it would be nice, so he can give us a class on how to use the trend line, automatic trend line. But look at here. What about if you would have put a sell position right on this level here? It would have triggered. You would have been on the money right now. Your sell would have been there, and boom, you would have won. Because basically, you would have let the market come to you. You're not chasing the market. If the market is in a buy position, it's same thing. I like when it has the crossovers like that. I don't like it when it goes sideways. I like it when it has the crossover, because again, like I said, you can put your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, however you want, and let the market come and meet you halfway. And then from there, once it trigger your buy or sell, you automatically you're good. And then as soon as you start making pips, make sure you move your trailing stop. That I will give you this. I guess it's free. He just sent it over to me, and I thought it was very awesome. And I was gonna mention to you guys, but on today's class. But I don't know, man. I think that's since your timing is very, very critical. I think you're gonna have to do buy limit and sell limit, and or either move out of state. You're on the wrong side of the state, man. Market come to you very late. So either you're gonna be chasing, or you put your sell ahead of time.
That's a possibility.
Yeah.
I mean, right there in your example, it worked perfect.
Perfect, man. Look, this
Like,
is real data.
Okay, so it's real data. So looking at the chart right now, you've got green there. Would you sell?
In here, yeah.
No. Where we are right now.
No, not right now. Sell, no.
Exactly, and
It's
that's
too
exactly
late.
why I didn't sell this morning, because there was an arrow on the money bar.
Yeah, it's too late. When you see the market that it already dropped too much, you are way too late. The trend already left you.
Oh,
Look,
no, but where I came into the market was right at the beginning of the top of that big red bar, which is 5 o'clock my time.
which red bar?
The second bar from
Oh, right here?
yeah,
This
the
one
big,
here?
no, the next one over, the
Oh,
big,
this one
huge
here.
one. So when that bar started to appear, it had an arrow saying that maybe this was, that it was not ready. So, but it broke right through the arrow, and then,
Yeah, but that was a
produced
sell. Why you didn't take it? We knew
exactly
it was,
why I didn't take it was because it had a green arrow on it. Maybe it's only my broker, Trader's Way. I don't know.
I use Traders Way. Traders Way was one of my broker.
Right.
But Irvin,
Hey,
can
Elliot,
I
I
say
think I know
something?
what you're talking about.
Yeah, help me out here.
I think he needs to put a way to see for, like Irvin says, 2 or 3 dots before you take the trade.
Right, I got that. Sure.
No, what he's saying is that when like say he's on a sell and the trade is already making a pretty good move, and a green arrow pops up, but on the radar, the 4-hour arrow still says that it's on a sell, right?
Yes, that's all I care.
Is that what you're talking about, Elliot?
Well, kind of, but it was even earlier than that. It was before that big move even happened. There was already a green arrow at the bottom of the bar.
But
So
who?
I went, oh, it's got to pull back a little bit before I can sell it. But then it just crashed through the arrow, and then the arrow repainted to the bar that it's on now.
But brothers and sisters were right on the point.
I
So,
got it. No,
so this
definitely. I
guy,
saw the brothers and sisters.
yeah,
Yes.
I don't make my determination just on this guy alone. Not at all. Unless if I'm gonna scalp the market, yes. Other than that, if you're gonna go long term, then respect these two guys here, because this is 4 hours and daily here. They were
Right.
telling you. Basically, I knew the market was, we are in a sell here based on the information we know, because the master trend here is bearish. So even if you still, I guess the arrow was here.
Well,
week?
it moved. No, the arrow was on the not the present bar, but the previous bar. The big, huge red bar where all the money was. That's where that's where the arrow was on my chart.
It was in the middle or what?
It was almost right at the very beginning. There was an arrow there, but it just kept on pushing through, and then it pushed through the arrow and created that big, huge bar of, I don't know what that is, 70 pips or something.
I don't know, but
but I think I also think that what made especially for the US dollar, what made it really to add a great boost today is, I think it's because due to the news, I believe, because today also had the high rating news on the US dollar. So I believe that is what made the US to really.
I'm telling you guys, look only for sell. I've been telling you, I'm going sell all the way to next year. And I don't want to be going in a buy position, or plus that we're going through election. I don't know what to expect. Then President can send something and market will go either direction. But I would ready to go only with sell. Euro USD is a sell, guys.
Right. Yes, it is.
Yeah. And to be honest, it's going to keep being a sell for the rest of the year. When was the last time the market was bullish? It was back in March this year, March 12th. Yeah, look. So
yeah, well, the market changed in October to a sell.
September.
I meant September. Sorry.
Yeah. So we got a long way to go. Look, if it's gonna come back and make a different opinion on the market, I would say the market is gonna come back to this level here, most likely in here. But it's gonna happen next year, because look, a market is not gonna be moving quick just in 2 months. We got a long way to go. So Elliott, just look for sell, man. Just have the confidence in there and just don't over trade it, and you should be fine. But hopefully this, I will hand this automatic trend line.
Yeah, I'll check it out for sure.
Yes, you can just let the market come and meet you there, and that's it. So like that, you don't take trades over and over and over again. But that's how I use the Fibonacci, guys. Really, I look for 4 hours and daily. If you're gonna scalp the market right now, if you would have been scalping the market on this guy here, based on this arrow here on the 5 minute, you would have been in a nice buy position, and you would have been out by now. Just grab whatever pip the market is gonna give you, and then don't be too greedy. Look at that, boom. This is what I don't like on this automatic trend line. I don't like it when it goes sideways like that. I like the crossover, because on the crossover, you can pull your buy limit or sell limit and let the market come and meet you, and then trigger it from there. That's what I like to do. But look at that. We know the market is in a sell position. Look at this one arrow, but then here on the 5 minute, it's a beast. I don't know if the 1 minute works. 1 minute should be even better. Damn, people are blowing my phone. Yeah, fortunately it's not gonna, I click on the 1 minute, but it didn't work. Yeah, man, that's how I do it, guys. It's very straightforward. It's no magic. Always look for 4 hours and daily. When you're gonna take your TP or your stop loss should be always above the 4 hours, above at least give it like 30, 40 pips. But putting your stop, your TP, it should be no issue on that. Look at here on the 1 minute. Damn, look at this, guys. Jesus Christ, look at here. Oof, it's here. Even in 1 minute is a beast. This is so easy to make money, man. So easy. Look at this guy here. Boom. You would make that money, walk, run. That's it. You're done. This is what I like to see. If you're gonna see it like this, and I like a crossover when it's crossover like that. So I can put my order here, or either same thing what Michael does. I like his style, man. And it's all finding your niche. Once you know your niche, how you're gonna be trading, just do it. But look at here right now, the market suddenly, boom, it's gonna drop because we're in a bearish position. We're not in a buy position. If you're gonna, please do not enter in a buy position on Euro USD because it's not. Look at that, 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. Everyone is selling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, it's showing us a what? It's showing us an A reverse, and that's what Elliott was concerned when he saw the error. Oh, look at that, Elliott. Look how we speak right now. The market just closed. Look, obviously, officially, we are in a buy position right now. See that? One arrow, the candle closed. This is real time right now. We are in real time. This is 5 p.m. Eastern time right now. So New York just closed, Sydney just opened. So the market is gonna be in a buy position. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest the 50 Fibonacci line. From there, we should see other wires coming down. But this, if you would be in the 5 minute or either 1 minute, however you want to do it right now, look at that, more pips to be made. Yeah, that's simple. How long did we did? Damn, 1 hour and a half, guys.
Say, Mr. Irving?
Yes, sir.
Can you look at NZD USD, please?
NCD USD. Let me not mess this. Actually, I'll do it on this pair. NCD USD. What are you doing on that?
Sell.
Okay.
I'm already in it. I just want to make
Oh,
sure.
look at this. Elliott, look at this on Elliott. Real time. Look at that. Real time. Oh my goodness. This is sell. This is sell. If you look, you say you're in a sell. I like it. I like your style, dude. Now explain me why you're in a sell, because this is a good one.
Master trend is in the sell.
Yeah. That's it, man.
That's the best reason, isn't it?
Yeah, that's perfectly it. Look, Fibonacci, we come into Fibonacci. From here, I look, let me grab the right tool. From here, I would look at this guy here. I would say, okay, some pips in there. Then market from there would do a small PV. Then since we know, basically it's giving you a better entry. Sometime, this is good to remember, guys. When the market reverse, I mean, goes with the brothers and sisters or however you're gonna do it, always wait for that small reversal. And most likely this is what Elliott saw, the green arrow. Market is gonna do a small PV, basically making this guy stronger. And then from there, boom, it's gonna come back where? In here. That is my opinion. Market is gonna shut down all the way to this level here, mid 38 to a 23 Fibonacci line. From there, from here, right where we are right now, I will say the market is gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line, and officially next week, obviously. Next week, the market will continue down to this level here. That's all it is.
Irving?
But this example is good. I love this one. This is good. Good job if you're not selling this. Yes.
Okay. Can we please do very quickly the goal?
Yeah, I don't want to mess up goal, but let me make sure, let me close this question. Do you have any other questions? This one is a great trade. Great, make sure you activate your trailing stop just to be in a safe zone, because this candle, it wants to go up. If it does go up, it most likely is gonna come back to your 50 Fibonacci line, and from there it will continue down. But make sure you activate your trailing stop. If it take you out, that's all you're here for, to get out and profit, not to be a negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect. All right, let me go to gold, and then that's it for today, guys. I don't think people will watch
Yeah,
this.
because today I made great money on that pair.
So before I click on that pair, are you on buy or sell?
I did a sell in the morning,
Okay.
but
Oh my God, look at this one. Oof. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Let me check my analysis that I did on Sunday. Look
it's
at
the
this.
same analysis, the
Look at
same.
this. Oh my God. Woo. Look at that. We know that gold is selling. It be selling for a couple months already. So look at that. Perfect. I told you guys the market was gonna come back and retest mid 52 or 38 Fibonacci. Look at this level here, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at it. Boom. And here. I look at here. My eyes were here. Perfect. Look at that. Look. Boom. And then from there, I said market was gonna do a reversal. It didn't do that. It's still dropping down. That's all I care is to be in a downtrend. Nice. Right now, it's trying to go in a buy position, but even right now the market just closed, but it didn't close on this candle here. Still, in my opinion, still have room to drop. Pay attention when you don't see when the candle has not closed. It means the market still in a previous trend, still in a downtrend. Just because the arrows is there, sure, it's giving us a heads up. It may do a reversal or it may continue down. But that's a good one. If you were on this one, that's good that you took that sell trade. That's a great one. Yeah. Tomorrow is gonna be interesting. Look, guys, the last week I analyzed 11 pairs. Out of 11 pairs, none went against my analysis. I don't know what's gonna be tomorrow, and that's what I didn't want to mess up the setups. Only I messed up Euro USD, which is fine. So I'm gonna go back and check the video that I make on Sunday and draw the same levels. But that's nice in here. Gosh, that's good. I'm telling you. I think USD JPY was a weird one, but I bet the analysis was on point. Because this guy here, they get well respected, guys. 4 hours and daily is everything you need. Obviously, you need to see what the direction of the trend is and make your decision based on the 4 hours and daily to 4 hours and daily. If you're gonna scalp the market, scalp it on the 4 hours. Because right now, in real time, look at here, right now on the 5 minute, what do you think is on the 5 minute? We are in a buy position. You would be in profit right now as we speak on the 5 minutes. You have to be in profit. Look at that. Not much because the market has not moved much. But look at that. Boom, money there. You would have grabbed maybe what, 20, 30, 50, $100 out of there. Get out. That's it. You're done because you're scalping the market. It's not to be here in this area for so long. Yeah, this is good, guys. I'm very happy. Things work out so well. I messed up this one. Let me see if I can go. There you go. Look, new resistance on gold on the daily. Huh. All right, guys. So that's all I have. So I'm gonna post this video so you guys can rewatch it again on YouTube. And hopefully that answer your question on Fibonacci. And be ready for the weekend, guys. When the videos come in, consider some of those trades. Go back to the system and say, you know, I feel confident on this one. I'm just gonna be on one, and that's it. And you know now where you need to put your TP, where you need to put your stop loss. Your stop loss is always above your 4 hours and daily, and give it like 40, 50 pips. And your TP should be on the next 4 hours and daily stop. That's it. All right. So thank you again for coming in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. So thank you. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Let me see. How can I close this? Quit, son.